Hi, dear learners. Let's describe now which topic is the most important in English. You know that there are many topics in English, but every point is not the most important. So, I want to say today which point is the most important in English. Those who of you want to learn English, you should know it. So let's know the most important point in English is tense, or tense is the most important point in English. So if you want to learn English, at first you must have to have 100% knowledge about tense or tense. After that, you can try to speak in English. It will be possible to you. So don't delay, don't late. From now, start to practice and speak in English. Thank you so much.